Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to display units in Excel charts. Here are some data where country and their sales are given. There are 4000 sales in USA, 2000 sales in UK, 3000 sales in France and 1000 sales are in Germany. First I will create the chart. Just select all your data and go to the insert. Here you will find the option cluster column chart. Just click this one. Now drag it. Here is a sales figure of different countries. Now in vertical axis you can see the amount are displayed clearly. If I increase these cells in million, it is very difficult to read the millions figures. I just type here 30. Now it's a 4 million. Now type here 30 and it's a 2 million, 3 million and it's a 1 million. Now the sales are in millions and I want to show these sales in millions, but it is display a very big figure. I want to short this figure. How can we perform this task? Just click here in vertical axis and right click and go to the format axis. In format axis you will find here display units. Just here select the millions. It will display the sales in millions. Now in Germany here is a 1 million. In UK there are 2 million sales. In France 3 million sales. In USA 4 million sale. Now you can easily read these figure in charts. That's way you can display the units in millions. If you want to display units in billion and trillion, you can also right click here and go to the format axis and in display unit select the billions and trillions also. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.